Hey, so this was, from 2009, okay, so it's another standard algorithm where they're basically saying it's a car park and they're wanting to count all the cars that have actually been there longer than, where is it, 3 hours, okay, aye, 3 hours, right, so remember, always read all this spiel at the top, so 3 hours, remember, 60 minutes in an hour times 3, so that's going to be greater than 180. So you're going to be counting all the cars that are going to be greater than 180, so hopefully you'll be starting to think, well, that's counting a currency. So this solution is going to be using pseudocode, okay? So, how about we go? So we're going to have a wee counter that's going to count all the cars that are greater than 180 minutes, but what we're going to first of all do is we'll just set, we'll call it total, and we'll just initialize it to 0. Set total to 0, right? Now, with this question, they've not actually told you how many cars, okay? So, and the reason why I'm saying that is what you normally do is you have a fixed loop that takes you right throughout the whole array, okay? So for index, we're starting index from 0, okay? So for index from 0 to, now if we don't actually have a, if we're not actually told us the size of the array, we'll just say from index 0 to rest of array. If you're not happy with writing it like that, you could even say length of array -1, because, okay, so the previous one, 96, length of array 96 -1, so it'll be 0 to 95, okay? So what we then do is we just have this, we'll say, right, well, if, okay, and we'll just call it parking time. So if parking time index is actually greater 180, then we'll just say set total to total plus 1. Then just go end if, and again, write it indented, it makes life easier for you, and then do end for. So essentially just rattles through the array, and if it finds one that's greater than 180, it'll just, this part will, this condition, if that's satisfied, or if that condition's true, it'll just add 1 to the total. So it'll just be tallying up the total of any cars that has been there for longer than the 3 hours or 180 minutes.